Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today is this thing called the Battery Daddy. What it is that it's like a storage system for batteries where you can put in your batteries and put them into like neat rows and stuff so they remain organized. So you guys can see this has a bunch of different like areas to put in different types of batteries, and here. So it has two sides like on the box. So one's for AA's only, the other side you can fit everything else. So yeah. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it just comes with this paper which tells you what it can fit. So this can fit 22 AA's, 70 AA's, 10 C batteries, 8 D batteries, 8 9-volt batteries, and 12 button cells. So let's go ahead and you guys can see that's the box, front, back. So let's open up the front first. So this is the front. So here's where the D batteries go. Here's where the C batteries go. This is where your 9-volt batteries go. All the AA's go in these slots. You have your battery tester here. There's space for AA's down here. And then here, there's like a compartment where you can put in your button batteries. And you can just put this back in. You can put AA batteries up here too. And here we have on the back. The back is exclusively for AA, so you can only put AA batteries here, and yeah. So we have a couple batteries here, so let's go ahead and fill it up then. So I've gone ahead and put in some batteries. You guys can see, so this is only the front where I put in the D batteries here, C batteries here, 9 volts there. There's the AA's here and the AA's on the bottom. So in the front, you can hold 22 AA batteries, and then there's way more on the back, and if I'm not wrong, there's around like 50 more slots on the back where you can fit some. So you can put in a bunch of AA batteries so you don't have to worry about that too. A lot of them did fit in the front, and one cool thing about this is you can see exactly where, if you have like batteries or not, you don't have to open it up because it's like clear. It comes with this power checker, so we can put in a battery here, like so. If we put it like so. If we do this, it shows that the battery does have power and it's charged. But if we put in one that's uncharged, which I think would be this one, which we can use a 9-volt one here. Go like this, I think. Slide it in. This one doesn't show anything because it's uncharged. Yep. So we can put this back. And this is really useful for like storing batteries. You can easily like put them somewhere on the side. It can just be in one place instead of having to try and find them every time. And it's also extremely neat. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.